Hi, I'm Dominic Lopresti, Technology Development Manager at SV Microwave, and I'm here to cover our latest in semi-rigid cable capabilities. Coax cable comes in many forms, from flexible, semi-rigid, and hand-formable or conformable cable. Semi-rigid cable can be found in test equipment, aerospace and defense, wireless, as well as medical applications. The most popular outer diameter sizes range from about 31 thousandths of an inch all the way up to 250. The key feature of semi-rigid cable, coax, is that the outer conductor is a solid seamless metal tube. Because of this, they offer the best isolation and insertion loss compared to other cable types of similar size and retain their bent configuration, allowing easy installation and the highest density possible in applications where there are complex cable runs. There are several material and finish options that SV Engineering can guide you through. The first step is to design the routing to fit your system exactly as needed in CAD, and this is where you would begin to define length, rotation, bend angles, and other parameters. The SV Microwave website contains downloadable 3D connector models to help here, and SV can also share models for your custom designed connectors. While these models hide SV internal IP, they all have accurate dimensions from the cable stop to the connector reference planes. This lets you know that your cable will fit exactly as expected in your system, allowing you to make modifications until things are exactly right. This bend configuration model is used to develop the program for our CNC cable benders. While typical bending machinery has some limitations that may require expensive and less precise secondary manual bending, our newest equipment in this area has many advanced features to handle even the most complicated 3D designs completely on the machine. The result is a highly accurate, precise, and consistent physical embodiment of the supplied bend configuration model and/or drawing. Typical tolerances on linear dimensions are plus or minus 30 thousandths of an inch. That's within the thickness of a penny. In many instances, tolerance can be held even tighter. SV can also perform phase matching in the bent configuration, eliminating the concern of phase variation versus flexure using other cable types. So the next time you're considering a semi-rigid coax cable assembly, download the connector models from the SV website or get in touch with SV Application Engineering, and know that you'll get the support you need to complete your work and be confident that the results will fit your system. Thank you.